Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into an electrifying comparison between the Segotep 750W power supply and the NZXT C750 PSU. Whether you're building a new rig or upgrading your current setup, we'll help you decide which power supply suits your needs best. Let's kick things off with the price. The Segotep 750W is priced at a cool $99, making it a budget-friendly option. Reviewers have praised it for its excellent quality and reliability, especially for high-performance hardware. On the other hand, the NZXT C750 is priced at $129, which is a bit more expensive. However, many users appreciate its value, citing its affordability given the features it offers. So if you want to save $30, the Segotep is a great choice. But remember, you often get what you pay for. Now, let's talk efficiency. The Segotep boasts an impressive 80+ gold certification with a power efficiency of 91.8% at typical load. Reviewers have noted its ability to handle high-performance hardware efficiently. Meanwhile, the NZXT ups the ante a bit, claiming to be 2% more efficient than the 80 PLS gold standard at 50% load. Users have highlighted its reliability and efficiency as key factors for their purchase, making it a strong contender for those looking for power efficiency. Moving on to modular design, the Segotep is fully modular, allowing you to use only the cables you need, which reduces clutter. Reviewers love the easy installation and organization thanks to the included Velcro strapping. The NZXT is also fully modular and features sleek black-sleeved cables that many users find aesthetically pleasing. Reviewers have commented on the quality sheathing and management options, making it a stylish choice for any build. Now let's discuss compatibility. The Segotep supports NVIDIA RTX 2030 series and AMD graphics cards. Plus, it has a native 1.2 VHPWR cable for PCIe 5.0 graphics. Reviewers have found it to be highly compatible with various high-end components. The NZXT is also highly tested for compatibility with the latest NVIDIA and AMD GPUs, making it a great choice for gamers and PC builders alike. No matter which one you choose, you'll be ready for the latest tech. Last but not least, let's talk about cooling and noise. The Segotep promises reduced heat and improved airflow, and users have reported it operates quietly, making it a worthwhile purchase. Meanwhile, the NZXT has a low thermal dissipation optimization, making it virtually silent. Reviewers have described it as the ninja of power supplies, silent but deadly. If you want a power supply that's quieter than your roommate during finals week, the NZXT might be the way to go. In summary, both power supplies have garnered positive feedback from users. The Segotep 750W is often praised for its affordability, reliability, and efficiency, with many reviewers considering it their preferred PSU brand. Meanwhile, the NZXT C750 has received accolades for its modular design, power efficiency, and sleek aesthetics, making it a solid investment for PC builders. So there you have it, the Segotep 750W versus the NZXT C750 PSU. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with solid performance, Segotep is your pal. But if you want that extra efficiency and sleek design, NZXT is the way to go. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Product links are in the description.